On the Home tab, in the Editing group, click Find and select. To find text or numbers, click Find. In the Find What box, type the text or numbers that you want to search for. Click Options to further define your search. To search for data in a worksheet or in an entire workbook, select Sheet or Workbook. To find text or numbers, click Find All or Find Next. When you click Find All, every occurrence of the criteria that you are searching for will be listed. You can use wildcard characters, such as an asterisk or a question mark, in your search criteria. Use the question mark to find any single character between two characters. For example P, question mark, N. Those words which have single character between P and N will be listed. But if you want to find string of characters between two characters, question mark will not work. Use the asterisk to find any string of characters. For example D, asterisk, K will list such words which have two or more characters between them. Click Options to further define your search. To search for case-sensitive data, select the Match Case checkbox. Click Options to further define your search. To search for cells that contain just the characters that you typed in the Find What box, select the Match Entire Cell Contents checkbox. To find and replace text or numbers. In the Find What box, type the text or numbers that you want to search for. Type the replacement characters in the Replace With box. And then click Find Next or Find All. Click the Replace All tab to replace all cells.